Hello there and welcome. Today we are going to have a really easy project that looks hard, but it isn't. A polar bear. I live in Finland and many people think that we have polar bears running around in the streets. That's not true. But it's time to make one. You need a few things, but that's only a few. You need white polymer clay and a little bit of black. You need a knife and your fingers, but don't cut your fingers. Always start with the brighter colors, in this case the white. And remember to wash your fingers first. It's also good to have a cover on your workspace, otherwise you might get stains on your table. I start by making the body, and that's really important that you get it right. Try to make it like a drop, and then squeeze for the head to get a perfect nose. It's time for the legs and for 2 ears. I roll out a small piece of white and cut 4 pieces for the legs and then 2 smaller pieces for the ears. Roll the ears and then start by making the front feet. You need to push them together with the body so they stick well. And attach the back feet. And it's time for the ears. I push a little bit with my knife so they stick, otherwise they might fall off. Then it's time for the black. You only need a little bit for the nose and for the eyes, nothing else. Roll it out to a small roll and cut a piece for the nose. A little bit bigger than the eyes. It's important that you get the proportions right and it's symmetrical. This polar bear is perfect as a keychain. Then you just put a hole in it before you put it into the oven and bake it. But remember to just attach the ring afterwards. Now it's time for the eyes. You only need 2 small dots. I cut with my razor blade and then roll it with my fingers and attach them to my polar bear. I finish it up with a small tail of white. And now we are done. Good luck, and I hope you enjoyed my video.